my name is Jess, aka Chocolate Quill, and I'm making this video so you guys can witness my final descent into the furry fandom, obtaining fursuit parts. Seriously, once you start buying the costumes, I think that's it. Like, you're a furry for the rest of your life, you can't take it back, you're done. Anyway, I've been seeing people do these fursuit reviews online, and I just wanted to give it a try because I have editing software and I just wanted to mess around with it, so here's the result. So I'm going to be reviewing fursuit / costume parts that I ordered for the following character, who I'm actually going to keep in the upper whatever the heck corner of the screen so you guys can actually see the accuracy of the products that I got. And for the purpose of people watching this video and the people that make these parts, I will be commenting on the following 5 things: quality, accuracy to the character, how well the parts fit, customer service, and the price. So hopefully it'll be helpful. Well, I actually haven't opened the box yet at all, so I figure I could do like a box opening thing to start. So it's actually right over here. So this is a really cute box. It has art on it. I ordered my fursuit parts from Lotis Creations. They are located in Belgium, and yeah. It occurs to me that I probably should have gotten like a key or something to open this, so I'm gonna just fast forward through me struggling to open this box. Feel free to laugh at me because I think this is hilarious. Well, so I have the box open now, and I can see some of the costume, and I am already way more excited than I thought I would be. It looks super cute. It came with a little note that says, "Thank you, hope you enjoy," from the maker on this cute little stationery thing. Right here. God, I hope you can actually see that. So I'm gonna go ahead and just open it now. So it seems like it was packed really nicely. There's just hella newspaper, just to make sure everything's okay. The thing on the top I see first is the tail, and I think it's all in one bag. Oh no, there's a couple parts down there too. So I'm just gonna go ahead and open this. I'm sure you're hearing a whole lot of bag noises right now. Oh my goodness, it's so soft. It's so soft. Oh. Whoa, it's beautiful. It looks even better than it looked in the pictures. Wow. Oh my god. I'm so excited about this. Oh my goodness. Yeah, this is my character Velocity's tail. She is a wolf, and obviously this is a wolf's tail, and I kind of want to lay on this because it's so soft and hug it. It's just wow. Alright, cool. I'll get to the review stuff later. Let me actually open up the rest of it. Okay. I also have these hand paws in here that are also super cute and adorable and awesome. And just, I'm so excited. Oh my goodness. So I have one hand paw. I have the second hand paw. And then I ordered feet paws, which should be in here too. Yep. Here they are. Let's see, I'm gonna move this box out of the way now. Okay, I'm just gonna do that. Let me just go ahead and totally not have a hard time opening this. Maybe I'm just gonna. Oh my goodness, these are so cool. These are outdoor feet paws. And they're awesome. Oh my gosh. This is what they look like. Hold on. Let me take the the parts that actually go around my legs from? There we go. See? They go on my feet. Oh shit, they go on my feet. They're feet paws. Alright, so I guess I should go ahead and go through all of the things I was talking about. Okay, so, I mean, the quality, I'd actually have to give it 5 stars. I was gonna say that, like, you know, 5 stars, but there's only 4 paws here. Never mind. Anyway, the point is, I would give the quality 5 stars, of course. I'm gonna have to see how the parts hold up when I go to a convention. I'm going to New York Comic Con, but, I did a lot of things with these before I continued making this video. I kind of stomped around in the shoes. I FaceTimed my mom so I could show her. I attempted to pick things up with these paws. I wasn't good at it, and they held together. They seem like they're really, really well sewn. The paws are puffy. They look really, really super cute. Everything is just generally well made, and I will give a close-up of what the paws look like so you can see how the seams and everything work, but it's just really, really cool. So I actually sent this maker super duper accurate pictures of every single detail that I wanted on my parts. They got literally every single thing right, and I am not exaggerating at all. I will put a side-by-side of each part so you can see exactly how accurate it ended up being. I am super particular about my character's details down to the last speck. I don't like any kind of inaccuracy, even in the color, especially in the color, to be completely honest. And Lotis took the time to go through my reference with like a fine-tooth comb to get every single little detail correct. And if they had a question, then they immediately asked me about it, and that made me really, really happy. As you may have seen in the little part I put in the video before, they fit really well. Inside of the feet, and actually I'm going to go ahead and take off these paws even though I don't want to take them off, there are actually little shoes. I'm not sure if you can see that, but there's shoes inside of the feet paws that are in my correct size, so I can walk around with them and my feet don't slip out. It took me some getting used to because my foot is smaller than where the paws end, so I had to, you know, be sure not to kick things. It's not too much further, but they take up more space than my foot does. But anyway, they fit really, really well. And I don't like trip all over myself while I'm walking, and it just, you know, ended up working. Not only that, but this tail also has a really nice seam. As you can see here, it just hooks into my belt, and I can kind of like wiggle it around and it won't come off or kind of ruin the magic, as people who wear fursuits would say. So I would definitely say that fitting well is a 5 out of 5 as well. So throughout this entire process, Lotis has been extremely friendly and personable. when they mailed the product to me, they gave me a tracking number so I could track it coming from Europe all the way to here, which I really appreciated, so I wasn't like wondering when my package would show up. Also, there was a point where when Lotis ordered the custom fur to put on my tail and everything, the place that gave the fur said that there was a delay. And instead of just kind of leaving me in the dark about it, Lotis immediately told me, which makes me feel really, really secure as somebody who's buying from a person that I've never met on the internet a bunch of furry costume parts. And in addition to that, like, I had expressed a desire to have the parts by a certain date, and Lotus was really realistic about getting that, getting them to me by that date, which is, you know, even earlier than what I expected. I wanted them like by the end of September because I wanted to wear them to Comic-Con, and as you can see by the date of this video, it is before September. And so it was just like a really nice fast turnaround time and just a lot of really amazing customer service, not to mention Lotus is extremely friendly and really great to work with. So 5 stars there as well. So for hand paws, puffy hand paws, feet paws that are outdoor feet paws, by the way, and a tail, which contained 4 colors because we have this dark one, this middle gray, this light gray, which, by the way, it is not white, it is light gray. That's another detail that Lotus paid a lot of really good attention to. In addition to this, the paw pads, which I would consider a 4th color, all of that came out to a total of 380 euros. That roughly translates into 430 American dollars. I find that to be an extremely reasonable price for all these handmade, well-crafted fursuit parts. And I am super excited to have all of them at this point. I am so excited about this. So, I mean, to end, 5 stars all around. This was really fun. I really had a lot of fun working with Lotis to get some of my character made. I am kind of not the type of person that likes to put masks over my head, so I'm unsure if I'll ever get a head. But if I do, I would definitely go back to Lotis to make a head for this character again. And I mean, if you're looking for somebody to make you fursuit parts, I like super highly recommend. Here is a picture of their current Facebook profile page, and I will link it as well. You should go give Lotis a watch and go like everything that they upload because it's great, and I look forward to seeing more work from them in the future. Anyway, this has been a fursuit review. Hope you're having a good day. Enjoy your fursuiting and other furry fandom nerd stuff. Bye!